Do you spend hours making lesson plans, or do you want to make an old lesson more exciting? This quick tutorial will show you how to use Magic School AI lesson plan tool to save you tons of time. I'm Jen from Happy Teacher PD, helping teachers like you save time with simple tech tools. If you haven't used Magic School AI before, please make sure to check out our other tutorial on how to register. This quick tutorial is going to focus on creating lesson plans. So to start, click on the lesson plan tool. And for an example, I'll say this is a 6th grade class. You can enter topic, standard, or objective, or you can attach one if you already have it. For this example, I'll enter the objectives. You can add additional criteria, and you can align it to standards. Then click Generate, and you can see it created a full lesson with an opening, introduction, guided practice, independence practice, closing, extension activities, and homework. Now I'm going to ask it to create a slide deck for this presentation. And maybe for my visual learners, I want to find a quick video. And it gives me 2 quick educational videos. I can also have it create a worksheet. And you'll notice for every response, I have the ability to copy it. I can change it, so if I click on Edit, I can immediately edit anything that's in here. I can export it to a Google Doc, a Word document, or print it. And I can also save it to my resources. Under Actions here, I'm able to translate it, turn it into questions, change the length, summarize, or create a custom prompt. I can ask it to create a quick quiz, or maybe I want to create a choice board for the students. And then I'll ask for a rubric for that choice board. As you can see, the lesson plan generator can freshen up any lesson. If you haven't watched our quick tutorial on the differentiation tool and how to save prompts to modify for every student in seconds, make sure you watch it and subscribe for more teacher hacks, quick wellness tips, and tools to save you time and energy every week. Thanks for watching.